Greetings everyone, my name is Fru. I make video tutorials showcasing how to use AI for your life. Now, Opus 4.7 was released today and it's insane. The statistics or the benchmark are off the roof, from agentic coding to graduate reasoning, visual reasoning, tool use, multilingual Q&A. It's off the charts. Now, for those who follow my channel, a big question is Paperclip. How does this work with Paperclip? And can this be used with Paperclip, which is your agentic orchestration layer? So I have about 15 or so agents in my Paperclip that runs, and I use different agents to work for that. And the good news, if you're curious, can Opus 4.7 work with Paperclip? Short answer to that is yes. So coming into your configuration, in my case here, my chief of staff agent, selecting configuration, selecting the Cloud Code local adapter. You can obviously have the Cloud Opus 4.7 model available for you. And if I go ahead and run a heartbeat here with any luck, they should run. Now, I don't have some task here because this is a demo environment for me, but this just answers the question that this model works as well. Now, I'm sure folks will be curious, well, how did you get that working? If you go into your environment, and you've seen me do this quite a bit, if you go into your environment, your configuration, and you don't see this model, you probably would not see it if you're coming for the very first time. What I would encourage is the way I got mine to work, and I'll show the behind the scenes, would be, you guessed right, going over to Claude Code CLI. So I tend to use that quite a bit. So I went into Claude and put in a couple of prompts. It was very straightforward. And I told it, can you go into my Paperclip installation and install Opus 4.7, and it was intelligent enough to go in and do that for me. So that's essentially what I did. I would love to tell you I did something very, very radical. No, it was just Claude essentially doing that install for me. And once it did that, I told it to set it just for my chief of staff. Because you think about it, you kind of want your chief of staff having the most intelligence that you can get. My other models, if I go to the business agent as an example, still, because this is my demo environment, obviously I don't want to have expensive models running here all the time. So I just keep this every single day on the Olama QN 2.5 model. But I think just to confirm that, yes, Opus 4.7 could run. The next question I'll get usually is the cost. I have the max plan. I think I've shared about that on Cloud subscription. So I pay about $100 or so dollars a month for that max plan. And what that gives me is it gives me a little bit of latitude. But even with that max plan, if you have 15 or so agents running very regularly, a couple of times a day, you will run out of your token limits pretty quick. And I saw that in my test. So would this be a scenario where I would use Opus 4.7, probably the most intelligent model we have to date, on every single agent running on a very regular heartbeat? That is not something I would personally do, because I think that the cost would just be off the roof. And I'll make a separate video just talking about how to keep an eye on the cost on this. So, but that I'll showcase this announcement is out there, and definitely very exciting. I would love to try it in my actual production environment in my Mac Mini, where I have my actual agents running. I'll do some tests there, and then I'll report back on the things I learned and what I'm observing. But if these statistics are true, and I always take this with a grain of salt, because to me the best statistics or the best metrics or the best measurements is what it does for your life, is what it actually does for you. If you're thinking about your taxes, if you're thinking about your health, if you're thinking about your career, your benefits, your business, managing your calendar, managing content, or just exploration, planning trips, how is this AI efficient and helping you with that? That's ultimately what I care about. And I think these benchmarks are good for those who code, but I know a lot of my audience are not using this for coding. So yeah, go in and try it. If you use Paperclip and you've tried this, what has your experience been? Is this something that you would have it manage all your agents, or do you look at it from a different perspective? Definitely share that in the comment section below. It's an exciting time, definitely an exciting time. So Very, very glad to have you all here. If you haven't checked out the aireadyu.dev, there is a lot of work going on, and we've recently released some bundles with a big focus on Claude. I think a lot of my paperclip work still continues, but then just I think Claude is just really, really, really running at high speed here, and I think wanted to make these plugins available for those of you who use the Claude desktop version or the co-work version. You can try the plugins and look at it as a way to support the channel. I really appreciate that. Again, thank you for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. This is Fro. I'll see you in the next demo.